Don't cry because you have to eat healthy. Cry because you're chopping up onions to put in a delicious dish that's also healthy to eat. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today we're leaning towards the sticks and twigs side. That sounds like a great new series. Something healthy. We're making dill dip to dip your vegetables in. If somebody's ever told you that you need to eat healthier, but you don't like those veggies, make this. It's a Hightower favorite, and you just won't believe it. So, grab your pen and paper. Here come the ingredients. You'll need half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon seasoned salt, 2 teaspoons parsley, 1 teaspoon dill weed, and 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion. So I've got everything together. By the way, there's no reason you can't use light sour cream. My wife loves this. There's no reason you can't use light mayonnaise. There's no reason you can't use Miracle Whip or light Miracle Whip. It's all your taste. So, seasonings, sour cream. I'm going to put in my chopped onion and the mayonnaise. That's exactly how easy this is. You just mix it together. You could mix this with 1 beater of a hand mixer, just as easy. And that's it. It's super yummy. And it's creamy. If you're in the munching mood, all you have to do, grab some chopped vegetables, take your bowl or even a smaller bowl, and just head off and go crunch. It's yummo. However, I like to do something a little bit more special, especially if it's for a family gathering. And here you go. Dill dip in the middle, vegetables all around. Very festive for a family gathering, a party, and it's where all the healthy people can congregate. They can get a little paper plate, put some dip on it, get some vegetables, and look how pretty. You could even do more. I like to take celery, cut it in half lengthwise, and then chop it into little sticks. And then, of course, small pieces of carrots. And then you just dip if it's only you, or if you have your own paper plate. Good stuff. Of course, you don't want to double dip. Some people might faint, even though we're not serving at the Ritz-Carlton. For some of my special diabetic friends, Mr. Mikey, you could always experiment with substituting yogurt for the mayonnaise, or do other experiments and let me know how it goes. I'm always willing to try new things. If you like this recipe for the Hightower's favorite dill dip, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this recipe and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. On this, but you just dip it. Now, of course, I won't double dip because I wouldn't want some people to have a stroke.